What is YouTube? It's your boy Mod One Type, okay? Back with retuning the X-Trail again. Just doing a little bit of alterations and whatnot for the vehicle. Just redid did a couple upgrades to the amp. Just have the subwoofer to modify now. But so far I've retuned the mids, so it's sounding a lot better now. Two elegance, 6 in the doors, on a Genius 4-channel amp, a power base 400.1 monoblock on Image Dynamics CT-X12, pile head unit, the PLB T7 2G series. Let's give it a listen, shall we? Okay. So far that's just stage 3 so far. We tuned for stage 4, containing the modification of that sub as well. I'm just going to do a few alterations, and it's going to have a lot more improved low note. So stay tuned, right? This is Mod One Type speaking now. We'll talk.